Good morning, student. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. So, dear student, I Joy Singh welcome you all in a maths online class. So, take out your this book, Systematic Mathematics, and also take out your notebook, pencil, eraser, and sharpener with yourself. Okay, student? So, get ready. Now everyone take out page number 14. Okay? Page number 14. Now in this page today I am going to discuss about the skip counting. Okay student, about the skip counting. आज हम लोग क्या पढ़ेंगे? स्कीप काउंटिंग के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो व्हाट इज स्कीप काउंटिंग? हु इज गोइंग टू टेल दिस? यू नो, स्कीप करना क्या होता है? जंप करना. स्कीप करना मतलब जंप करना, मतलब एक से मैं जंप करके दूसरे पे या फिर थर्ड पर्सन के पास मैं चली गई, या थर्ड कुछ भी हो, थर्ड फ्लोर पे मैं चली गई, वो स्कीप होता है, जंप करना. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू हियर, यू हैव टू आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस द स्कीप काउंटिंग्स बाय टू. ओके, स्कीप काउंटिंग्स बाय टू. ओके, बाय टू. आज हम लोग टूज के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. स्कीप काउंटिंग्स बाय टूज. ओके, so counting the numbers, see here, counting the numbers. Okay student, counting the numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 dot like this. Okay, this type, counting the numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 like this. Okay, so is called what? Skip counting by 2 is called skip counting by by 2. Okay student, like this. Okay, skip counting means मैं 2 पे थी, फिर मैं 4 पे चली गई, फिर मैं 6 पे चली गई, दिस टाइम. ओके, स्किप करना है आपको, एक नंबर को आपको बीच में स्किप करके ऊपर चले जाना है. ओके स्टूडेंट, जंप करके. सो टेक आउट योर कॉपीज. Check out your copies. I'm giving you some examples how you have to do in your copy. Okay, and this one also mentioned in your book. Count by twos and complete the following. Question number 1. Do it in your maths notebook. Okay, count by twos, count by twos and complete the following. Complete the following. Okay, आपको इसको complete करनी है. Count by twos and complete the following. Okay student, see, if 10 is written, then 12 is written. So like this you have to complete this one. Okay, now who is going to tell after 10 and 12 what number will be there? What number is skip counting you have to do na. So 10, 12 and after that what will come? 14 will come. Good. And then 16. Very good. And after 16, 18. Good. After 18, 20. Good. After 20, 22. Good student. And after 22, 24. You have to write. And after 24, you have to skip by 2. 6. And at 26. And after 26, 28. Okay, student? And after 28, what will come? 30. Then 31. No. What? 32. Then 33. 33? No. Yes, it's 34. And after 34, 36. Okay. Next question you write on in your book. Sorry, in your copy. Okay. Notebook you have to write on. Do it fast. Now, question number 2 is what? Do reverse counting. Okay, इसमें आपको क्या करना है? Reverse counting. Do reverse counting. Do reverse counting by twos. Okay, and complete the following. Complete the following. Okay, student? Complete the following. Okay? So, here what you have to do? Here you have to do the reverse counting. See here. 74 is written. After that 72 is written. Okay? And after that what number will come? Okay? So 74 is written. फिर उसने skip किया choose and what comes? 72 comes. Then after what number will come? 70. Okay? Then 68. Then you have to go do the reverse counting. Okay, student, you have to do the reverse counting. So 74, 72, 70, then 68. After that, what will come? 66. And then 64. Then 62. And after 62, what will come? 60. Okay, 60. And then 58. Two number I have skipped and I have done this in a reverse counting. Okay, student, reverse counting. This one is reverse counting. So note down from the whiteboard and do it in your copy. Okay, maths copy. I think you all have understood this very well. Okay, hope you all have done. Now skip countings by 3. Okay, student, skip counting by 3s. Okay, page number 15. पेज नंबर 15 में आपका ये दिया हुआ है स्कीप काउंटिंग बाय थ्रीज. ओके, अभी हम लोग 2 के बारे में पढ़ा है, स्कीप काउंटिंग बाय 2. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द स्कीप काउंटिंग बाय 3. आपको 3 नंबर को स्कीप करके आगे बढ़ना है. ओके स्टूडेंट. नाउ काउंटिंग. फर्स्ट लुक एट द ब्लैक बोर्ड. White board, sorry. Counting the number. Counting the numbers like 3, 6, 9, 12, dot 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 dot. Okay, is called what? Is called skip counting by threes. Okay student, counting the numbers like 3, 6, 3 आया, फिर 6, then 9, then 12, means just like the table of 3. Okay, 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, then what will come? 15, then 18. ये सब क्या है? These all are skip counting by threes. Okay, these are skip countings by threes. Good. Okay, now now do it in your copy. Some examples I am giving you. Now see some examples like number 1. Some examples like count by threes and complete the following. Complete the following. See here, 3, then 6, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So what you are going to do here? I think you all know this. Okay. So 3, then I have skipped 3 numbers here, and then what comes? 6, and after 6 what will come? 9. Okay, then 12. Good. Then after 12 15. Very good. And after 15 18. After 18 think after 18 21. Excellent. After 21 what will come? 24. 3 number I am skipping here. Okay, and like this you have to complete this one. Okay, after 24 what will come? 27. And then after 27 30. आपको बस 30 तक नहीं रहना है, इसके अबव भी आपको जाना है. ठीक है, 3 नंबर्स को स्किप करके. आफ्टर 30 33 will come. After 33 36. Good. And after 36 30 39. And after 39 42. Okay, so like this you have to complete this one. Okay, and do it in your maths copy. Now I am moving to the next question. Do reverse counting by 3. Do reverse counting. Do reverse counting by 3s. Okay, and complete the following. Complete the following. Okay, student, complete the following. Here it is written 99. Then 96 is written. Like this it is written. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So what will come after 99? 96. Reverse counting you have to do here. Okay. After 96, skip by 3 you have to do here. Okay. Skip by 3. After 96, what will come? 93. Very good. And after 93, tell 90. Good. After 90, 87. After 87, 84. Good. After 84, 81. Good. After 81, who is going to tell? After 81, what will come? 78. Okay. After 78, 75. And after 75, 72. And then 69. And after 69, 66. One more I have 60, then 63. Okay, like this you have to complete the reverse counting by 3. Okay, student, do it in your book, notebook. Do it in your notebook. Okay, student. And also, what you have to do, I hope you all have completed this. Okay. Now student, what you have to do here? Now your homework. Complete page 14 and 15 in your book. Okay, student, आपको पेज नंबर 14 and 15 जो है 14 पेज नंबर 14 and 15 you have to do yourself in your book. Okay, and whatever I have taught today on the whiteboard you have to do in your copy. Okay, student. So I meet you again in the next class. Okay, so this class is going to be over, and everyone don't forget to wash your hand and stay home, stay safe, and also eat healthy foods. Okay, student, bye.